pulling me out the car. What are you doing?
On your feet.
What do you mean? I did not do nothing. Just give me a minute.
No, ma'am.
Give me that.
I
ticket.
asked
I'll
you.
sign it.
No,
I'll sign
we
it.
already passed that point.
No, what do you mean?
Put your hands behind your back.
No, just give me a minute, sir.
Hello. We're in a big hurry this morning.
My job is over there.
Okay.
No, yeah, it's like, what's it? It's like 45, right?
It's 45, yeah. How fast do you think you were going?
40?
No. 75.
Me?
Yeah, under the overpass. 75 miles an hour.
What's that? I was trying to get to work. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance with you?
Yeah, there's no way I'm 35.
And do you have proof of insurance for the car with you?
Yes, I do have. Hold on, let me see. Put it on. Yeah.
Yeah, that's registration. I just need proof of insurance. Like the ID cards that they send you, even electronically is okay.
Yeah.
If you got into a crash, what would you show the other driver that you had
Well, I
insurance?
have them here. Hold on. God forbid.
Well, you're doing 30 over.
Yeah.
The chances of that happening are getting exponentially greater.
Thanks, partner.
Okay, that's just a transaction receipt that doesn't show me
I
anything.
can send me, the actual. It's in my email.
Okay,
Yeah.
you hold on to that. Give me
Yeah.
a second, I'll get you out of here.
When pulled over by the police, drivers should cooperate, sign the citation if issued, and later file a complaint or contest it in court if they disagree, rather than refusing on the spot. Doing so can prevent what would have been a simple traffic violation from escalating
All right.
into a criminal
So I am
arrest.
giving you a ticket for the speeding and for not having proof of insurance with you. You're gonna get...
Yes, you me at
Yes,
why,
ma'am.
a proof of insurance. I'm calling them, and I showed you that.
If you got involved in a crash, you're required to show
I'm not
proof of
involved
insurance.
in a crash. Are you driving me like now? Like you want me just to be upset?
No.
Over, you're not on top of.
Would you
my-
like to listen? You ask me questions and you don't let me answer.
I'm like really irritated now.
Okay, you were doing 75 miles an hour, the speed limit's
I
40.
can't be on 75.
I got you with laser. I got you at,
Your laser probably needs to be fixed.
because it is 30 miles an hour over the speed limit, you have a mandatory court appearance. They are going to subpoena you.
I'm very irritated now.
Okay.
I'm, like you know.
I understand.
I'm like on my work, and now you're causing me all this like.
Yeah, I did not cause this. I am not responsible for your driving.
What do you mean I'm not responding? Like you're not.
Your actions are the reason that we're here. You are given these in lieu of being arrested. So I need your signature on the lines. I just told you. You are giving citations in lieu of being arrested. Okay. You are required to sign these.
Can I,
No, you can call them when we're done.
no, I just.
Ma'am, I want you to listen to me very carefully.
Excuse me.
You have to sign these or you go to jail.
Give me a few minutes.
Okay. Tango 13, I'll need another,
Give me a
please.
few minutes. Can I?
No, ma'am. You sign these or you come with me?
Give me a minute, sir.
There's no minute. We've
What do you
been here
mean?
for 10 minutes already.
Yes, I've been for more than that. Just please give me a minute.
Ma'am.
Yeah. A minute.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Look at
A
me.
minute. Yeah. Give me a minute.
No minutes. Let's go.
Oh, what do you mean? Let's go. You can't
Let's go.
pull me off. Excuse me. Don't touch me,
Out of the car.
sir. Give me a minute, sir. You
Ma'am.
can't. You can't do that to me.
Out of the car.
Hello.
Ma'am.
The officer is pulling me off the car. What are you doing?
On your feet.
What do you mean? I did not do nothing. Just give me a minute.
No, ma'am.
Give me that.
I
ticket. I'll
asked you.
sign it.
No,
I'll sign
we
it.
already passed that
No,
point.
no. What do you mean? Oh,
Put your hands behind your back.
no. Just give me a minute, sir. Oh, you. What did I do to you?
I've already explained this to you.
Okay, well, let me just sign it, please.
Hands behind your back.
Please. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Ma'am. We're making this far worse for yourself.
I'm in a. Oh my God.
Stand up. Stand up.
Don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Mama.
Okay, we're gonna go to the ground then. Gently. All right. All the way down.
Leave me alone.
No, ma'am.
Look, my work is over there. What did I
Okay.
do to you, sir? Maybe I need to go to the hospital.
Okay,
Oh.
we can arrange that. You're still gonna go
sir,
to jail
sir,
afterwards.
Please leave me alone. What did I do to you? I'm gonna sign. Let me talk to my. No, sir. I do. Sir, please. Sir, I'm so sorry. Sir, what do you need me to do?
I've already explained to you what I needed from you.
I'm
You've
sorry.
refused to comply up to this point.
Sir,
You are now being arrested
sir,
for
why?
obstruction.
What did I do? Sir,
Do you want to stand or do you want to lay on the ground?
let me call my boss.
Do you want to stand or do you want to lay on the ground?
Sir,
Ma'am,
sir,
Ma'am.
please.
we're still back to square
Sir, I
one where
beg
you're
you,
not
I beg
answering
you,
questions.
please, I beg you. Sir, I beg
Tango
you.
13. You have somebody in that for me, please? 1015.
Sir, I beg you. I'll sign. I'll do whatever you want. Just leave me. Sir, I'm so sorry.
You had the opportunity to sign.
I beg you.
I asked you 3 times.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
You chose not to do that. That's why we are here where we are now.
Mama. What did I do?
CVS parking lot, only 38. All right, your ride's here. You're gonna need to get up. You good?
Excuse me, sir, please. I did not do nothing. Sir, I'm sorry.
This way.
I'm sorry, sir. My
Do you
God.
have anything on you that
No.
can't go with you? Anything that'll
What
poke
do you
or stab or
mean?
anything
No,
like
why
that?
do you take me?
Okay.
Sir, please, I beg you, sir. Sir, sir, I did not do nothing.
You're
Sir,
gonna have to take these bracelets off.
no, sir. Sir, please.
You can do it after.
No,
Which
sir,
is
what
low.
do you- Sir, I'm sorry.
This one we can take. These two we can take.
Sir, please, sir,
Okay, stop
Just-
turning
Just
around.
face this way.
You're just making this far more difficult
Sir, I have
than it had to be.
Sir, why are you doing? Let me call my sister, please. Let me call my
Ma'am.
sister.
All you had to do was sign the citations.
Okay, I'll
But
sign it.
no. See, we've passed that point when I asked you 3 times and then I told you to get out of the car
But I told
and you
you
still didn't
I want to
comply.
call my attorney because I did not know what the reason.
You did not know even though I explained to you 3
I'm
times?
sorry, sir. Please,
Okay.
please let it go.
I understand you're very remorseful. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, sir, I have nothing.
Okay.
Let me go.
You're gonna have to have a seat in this car.
Turn it
You
this
wanna
way.
go to the other side or?
Please, let me get my.
Yeah.
Sir, oh my
Have a seat.
God. Sir, let me call my boss.
Have a
let
seat,
me
please.
Get my phone.
Have a seat, please.
I'm just.
Sit all the way in, please.
Sir, I'm
Sit all the way
afraid.
in.
I'm afraid.
Sit all the way in, please.
Where are you taking me?
Have a seat, ma'am. You're only getting more charges the more you don't comply.
Oh, okay, well.
Please sit.
Inside of the car.
Feet inside the car.
Sir, let me.
All the way
Feet inside the car.
Sir, I'm afraid. Sir, don't do this to me.
Oh, 1 second. Let me turn this on real quick.
Sir, please, sir. I'm like, I'll sign. I do whatever you want. Yeah. يا ربي دخيلك ماما.
Put your seatbelt on real quick, okay?
What are you taking me, sir?
I'll tell you in 1 second.
Please, can I call my phone? Sir, please, sir. Sir, you're nice, sir. Tell me, where are you taking me? Can I call someone?
Say that again. I'm sorry.
Can I call my job? Tell
You'll
them.
be able to call them from whatever we get.
What? Sir, please, don't do that to me. Please, sir. Sir, where are you taking me?
Dallas County Jail.
Why, sir?
After being arrested, the woman was taken to the county jail for booking and processing. There, she was informed of the charges against her, which included speeding, failure to provide proof of insurance, and obstruction of law enforcement. According to local police, she was released on bail and is required to appear in court next month for a mandatory hearing to explain her actions. The body camera footage was made public to ensure transparency in law enforcement procedures and to raise community awareness about compliance with the law. The incident is now regarded as a valuable lesson in how to respond when interacting with police officers, reminding everyone that remaining calm and cooperative can prevent a minor infraction from escalating into a serious legal consequence. On the morning of August 27, 2024, in Diamond, Missouri, USA, a traffic incident drew public attention after footage from a police body camera was released. According to the video, a female driver was pulled over by a traffic officer for speeding, as her vehicle was recorded traveling 75 miles per hour in a 40-mile-per-hour zone. During the stop, the woman appeared uncooperative, refused to sign the citation, and repeatedly asked for more time to make a phone call. After several warnings, the officer proceeded to arrest her on charges of obstructing law enforcement in full view of passing motorists.